Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to make bag charms. These are some of the bag charms that I've made. These are the ones that you will be seeing throughout this video of me making. These two are Funko Pops. I got these from Five Below. So these are Funko Pops. They're from the Proud family. This is Dejanay and this is Uncle Bobby. So I made some bag charms. This is what they look like. So these are some bag charms. These are my Funko Pop bag charms that I made. This bag charm is the Baby Bratz bag charm. This comes with the doll on top of the box. That's what it looks like. And then this charm here is from Five Below. If you're interested in seeing me make these bag charms, stay tuned. Before we get into anything, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you can be notified every single time I post a video. Follow me on all social media platforms at the girl with a flower name. Also, make sure to check the description box down below for all the details on all these products and links as well. So yeah, you guys are gonna watch me make some bag charms. I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to thank you guys for being here, and let's get into it right now. Am I really that much? And breaking these figures down like a camel. You don't really know you. Hey guys, so here's the charm I'm going to be using. Well, here's the Funko Pop that I will be turning into a charm. This is Dejanay from the Proud family. That is the box my drill came in. So I power on my drill and then I just begin making a hole in the top of the charm or soon to be charm's head, aka the Funko Pop. Make sure you have like a firm grip on the drill because it is strong, so make sure you have a real firm grip, like hold it tight and then just keep drilling until you make a hole. Don't drill too much because you don't want it to be too big. That's the hole I mean. Now I have hooks. I got this off of Amazon. You need one hook. You want to stick the hook into the hole that you have drilled. That's how it's supposed to look. It's supposed to stay firm. And then you begin twisting it until it gets tight. You will feel it once it gets tight. That means that the hook is now secure. So just keep twisting it until it becomes secure. You do that because you don't want it to come out and then your charm just breaks apart. Then you get the keychain, and then I also have a split ring. All of these products are from Amazon, and you attach the split ring to the keychain, and then you attach the split ring to the hook that you screwed into the Funko Pop or doll's head, and just, you know, twist it around until it's in, and now you have a charm. And you can just spin the charm around. That's how you know it's secure. That's why it's really important to make sure that you twist the hook in so that nothing comes out. And I just do a little shake test to make sure it's secure. Now this charm is from Hobby Lobby. You don't have to get your charm from Hobby Lobby. You get them from wherever you want. Amazon, Michael's, Marshall's, Target, wherever. And I just attach it to my key ring because I like to have a lot of charms, and I low-key like for the charms to make a lot of noise, and I like the sound when they like bang up against each other. I don't know why, it just makes me feel sophisticated. But you don't have to add a bunch of charms if you don't want to, so this is up to your discretion. Now the next charm is, I'm going to use a Baby Bratz. This is Jasmine from the Runways collection. I got mine from Target. I'm going to take her bag out of the packaging as well, and I'm going to connect it to her. I take the phone and I just wrap it around her chain to make sure that it's secure, and then make sure that it stays attached to her. So yeah, that's the Baby Bratz. And then I just mark with my finger where I want the hole, and then turn on my drill and get to business. You guys see the hole? It's not too big, but it does need to be big enough so that the hook can go through, but not too big to where the hook just goes all the way in, if that makes any sense. But just twist in the hook until it's nice and tight and secure. Like I said, you will feel it, so you'll be able to know when you've twisted it enough. And now it's in. And same process, the keychain and then you get the split ring and you attach it to the keychain, and then you attach the keychain to the doll, twist it till it's secure, and now you have another bag charm made. It's really simple. All of the products will be linked in the description box. All of the tools that I used are from Amazon. You can even get the Funko Pops and the Bratz dolls from Amazon as well. This charm is from Five Below. And I just attached it to the doll. You can attach it to your bag, you can attach it to the doll. This is up to you. It's up to let your imagination run wild and your creativity just flow through you. So do what you want to do, but that's it, that's all. That's how I make my charms. The process is not too intricate. It should take you under 10 minutes to make a charm. But yeah, that's it. Now I have a charm, another charm down. And this is a fun hobby. It allows me to be creative and just customize the items. That safety pin comes with the doll, like it comes on top of the Bratz doll box, so I just keep it. That's up to you. Like I said, this is all up to your discretion as to how many charms you want attached to your doll or on your bag. So I just attach it to the doll because I like it and it matches the doll's outfit, so I think it works perfectly. But like I said, it's all up to you and what you want to do. So I just attach, you know, the safety pin to the doll. Okay, so the next Funko Pop I will be turning into a charm is Uncle Bobby from the Proud Family. I got this from Five Below. I actually had like 2 of him, so that's why I decided to make him into a bag charm. Also, you can make these charms for your keychain as well, so it doesn't just have to go in your bag. But that's the hole that I drilled in the top of his head. Now I'm going to take the hook and twist it into the hole that I drilled. Same process as before. It's very easy. Same process, split ring onto the keychain and then take the split ring and twist it into the hook. And that's it. It's literally 1, 2, 3. And it's so secure. And it should stay on. If it doesn't stay on, that means that you either made the hole too big or you didn't twist it in enough. Now I'm going to add charms onto the Funko Pop. The first one is from Beauty Supply Store. This gumball machine is from Michaels. I think it was like $2.99 or $3.99. Very affordable, but that's what a gumball machine is from. And then this charm, is, like I said, is from the Beauty Supply Store. Every beauty supply store is different, so you may or may not be able to find this, but I know you probably will be able to find the gumball machine at Michaels. If not in store, then definitely online. Yeah, that's just how it looks. Like I said, I like my charms to have other charms on it, so I just like it to be a lot going on. I know that's just me, but if you prefer something else, then do that. It's all up to you and what you decide, but that's Uncle Bobby. I turned him into a bag charm, and then that is Dejanay, which is also from the Proud Family. It's a TV show if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, but nonetheless, those are the bag charms I made. Both of the Funko Pops are from Five Below, and then the Baby Bratz is from Target. You can also get them on Amazon if you guys don't want to go in store or if your store doesn't have them, but yeah, that's it. Okay, so I have a purse which already has a charm. It's like a Crocs from Crocs charm. So I tried to match my charms to my bags. So since my bag is red and this has like some red, he has a red bandana, I just hook him on here like that, just like that, just like that, and that's that. And then it's like red in this hand, so like that. And then this is just my bag charms and just hang on doesn't interfere with me opening it and closing it, So here's my bag charms. They just turn around, spin around. Yeah, bag charms. And then that's that. I have other purses I have made bag charms, so let me show you guys. Hold on. So here's an example of another bag charm. This is my Kurt Geiger fur bag, and I just made up charm. Hold on. I made this bag charm. It is another Bratz doll. I think this one is Dana. And then I just have, hold on, I have this like Hello Kitty cup from this charm is from Hobby Lobby. This comes on the top of the Bratz dolls box. This is Dana. And then I got this from the beauty supply store, and I just added that on. And then a little flower, which I got from Amazon. These little tiny flowers. But this is the bag charm. And then I just have like this plushy one. But yeah, this is the bag charm. So it looks on my purse. Yeah, here are my bag charms. And here's the new one I made. I put it on this purse. And now for these two, I have to find purses to put them on, but this is what it's given. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something. Check the link in the description box for the product list, so you get all the products that I used if you would like them. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Follow me on all social media platforms at the girl with a flower name. And I want to thank you guys for being here, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.